That annoying cough, keeping you up at night? Hold on, before you reach for another bottle of cough syrup, let me show you something better that actually works. First, ginger tea. Boil fresh ginger slices in water for 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon for extra relief. Ginger helps reduce throat inflammation and suppress coughing. Second, turmeric milk. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. Drink before bedtime to soothe the throat and boost immunity. Third, black pepper and honey. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper with honey. This helps clear mucus and soothe dry coughs. These aren't just home remedies. They're hacks straight from nature's medicine cabinet, and let me know which one works best for you.